It's back. Got the Lawnboy back for service again. I'm gonna go ahead and try and fix that carburetor. Needs a governor spring, and also got some fuel line clamps on there. Or fuel line clamps to put on there and clean it up. And check the exhaust ports. Here's tools you're gonna need. And the parts. Got the primer bulb, part number 120-440. Have the needle and seat float valve kit. Lawnboy part number 301-996 92-9697. And let's see, I got the governor spring. Part number 98-7011. So let's get to work. First thing you want to do when you begin disassembly with this is go ahead and take the choke mechanism, and the throttle butter flies out, and that's what you get right there. Throttle plate. And if you do it right, you don't crack your plastic. We got to do this anyway to replace the throttle spring, and that just slides up like that. There's your assembly. It's in there. And I'll go ahead and pull this. Bingo. Your choke's out. I hate taking these carburetors apart because it always feels like you're going to strip the screws out. If you have a clean can handy, you can put all these parts in it. I usually like to lay them out in front of me. And if you didn't notice, I'm taking them out opposite of each other, because I just don't like this. I don't like these plastic carbs. And then very gently I'm going to lift this off. Okay. And the bottom here, if you take a look, that is full of grass. That's the carburetor, the bowl. Here's the gasket. We're going to go ahead and reuse that. I'm replacing this. You'll see here the seat. But to get that out, all you got to do is slide that pin pull it out just like that. Set it aside. All these parts are going to get cleaned. Here's your float and valve assembly. This just slides off of there like so. This is your fuel filter, so to say. It's clogged. We're going to clean that. Now, got your main jet. And you got your seat valve. And underneath this sticker, Carburetor 98-7000, is another jet. So let's take this idle jet, I believe it's called, out. Get out of here, fly. There it is. It's got some dirt. We're going to clean that up real good. Take your main jet out. Just very easily. You don't want to torque down on plastic. Even taking it out. You're going to take that main jet out. There is a washer on the main jet. And you can see, hopefully, that there's quite a bit of crud and buildup on it. So I'm hoping cleaning this up will take care of it. Go ahead and take this out. And now that carburetor is completely disassembled, I'm going to go ahead and spray some cleaner on it and let it sit. And there's jets here, 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 here. I shouldn't say jets, but holes. There's one in here, one here for the primer, which goes through into the bowl. All those little holes, you want to spray them out and clean them, and it doesn't hurt to hit them with a little bit of compressed air. And being that the jets are out on this, and there's nothing, it's just a chunk of plastic, you're pretty much safe to clean things out. And there is a tiny one right there. Forgot to mention, with this main jet, in the very center of it, you'll need a little screwdriver to remove it. Is another part of it. Take that out and you can see straight through it. And with these, I'm going to let them soak a little bit longer, and I'm going to take a thin wire and clean out all these holes, blow them out, spray it. So these two holes here are plugged. Make sure this is clear, and I'll do the same with the other jet. Right now they're just soaking in carburetor cleaner. Hopefully loosen up everything and actually start in less than 30 pulls.